Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5, Does it look the same? Does it look the same means symmetry. Symmetry is a mirror image. When an image look identical to the original image after the shape is being turned or flipped, then it is called symmetry. It exists in patterns. I will explain you this with the help of an example. So students, when you are told to cut out a heart from a piece of a paper, don't you simply fold the paper, draw one half of the heart at the fold and cut it out to find that the other half exactly matches the first half? The half carved out is an example of symmetry. Students, you may have often heard of the term symmetry in day-to-day life. It is a balanced and proportionate similarity found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is a mirror image of the other half, and a shape that is not symmetrical is referred to as asymmetrical. Symmetric objects are found all around us in nature, architecture and art. Now next is line of symmetry. The imaginary line or axis along which you fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal or diagonal. There may be one or more lines of symmetry. Now one line of symmetry. Figure is symmetrical only about one axis. It may be horizontal or vertical. Here in this example you can see in this letter A, there is one line of symmetry. Here the line of axis is this one. Next is two lines of symmetry. Figure is symmetrical only about two lines. The lines may be vertical and horizontal lines. As you can see in this example, here in this letter H, there are two lines of symmetry. This one and this one. So the figure H has two lines of symmetry. Next is infinite lines of symmetry. Infinite means unlimited. Some figures have not one or two but infinite lines passing through the center and the figure is still symmetrical. Example, a circle. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Now we will start with our chapter. Does it look the same? Ignore question number 1. Question number 2. Does the dotted line show symmetry of the given shape? Tick right for yes and cross for no in the box. Students, here we have to state whether the dotted line shows symmetry of the given shape or not. Here, first one. Here you can see this is a dotted line. If we fold the figure here, then the shape will be same. So here the dotted line shows the symmetry, so we will tick mark in this box. Next, second number figure. Here also this is the dotted line. If we fold the figure, we will get the same shape, so we will put right over this figure also. Third one. Here this is a dotted line. If we fold the figure, we will not get the same shape. We will not get the mirror image. So we will put a cross on this figure. Fourth one also, you can see here, this is a dotted line. The figure, if we fold the figure, we will not get the same mirror image. So we will put a cross over here. Remaining question number 2 you have to do by yourself. Now question number 3. Complete the pictures given below by drawing the similar mirror halves along the dotted line. Students, here half image is given and we have to draw the same mirror half image on the other side of the dotted line. Here in this first figure you can see this dotted line is given. Here half figure is given. We have to draw the same mirror half image of the figure on this other side. In this way, we have to complete the other half of the figure also. Now, figure number 2 here, half butterfly is drawn. We have to draw the half part here on this side. In this way, we have to complete this figure. Students, remaining question number 3 you have to do by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.